I'm going to show you a quick and easy video to resetting the service light, the maintenance light on your Mazda 2, the new model, and the one with the screen, the information screen. So what you got to do is put the main menu up by pressing the home button. You'll get this display. Use the knob, the main one, turn to the left so it says applications, press down to select it. You want vehicle status monitor, so turn to the right, select that by pressing down, press down, turn to the right again, maintenance, press down, select that, go to the oil change, if I choose scheduled, press down, rotate to reset, press down. Are you sure you want to reset the scheduled maintenance? Turn to the right, reset, press down, and everything's reset. So you can see the service and everything else is all reset. And then after you've done that, just press the home button on the display and you're good to go. That's it. Bye.